Hello beauties, welcome to another video. So I bought some beauty products from Amazon. I really wanted to share with you guys. And so this is kind of some unboxing video. So let's get started. So first products are from this M Caffeine brand, and as you all know, M Caffeine is an Indian brand, and this is M Caffeine is a coffee personal care brand. So this is how it looks, this is how the packaging is. M Caffeines, and I really love this packaging because it's like, you know, some big box, and you get really fascinated with it when you first time saw it. So I really like this packaging. So here is the packaging, and in this packaging there are three products. And first is this coffee face scrub. Is it visible? Yes, this is coffee face scrub. And another one is coffee face wash. Yes, coffee face wash. And there is also a coffee body scrub. So these three products are all in one box, and I'm really happy with these products. And there is also a towel in this box also. So so first is this coffee body scrub, and I already used this scrub for one time, and I really felt a difference in my skin because of the tanning, and the tanning reduced little bit. And this coffee body scrub contains coffee with coconut. So I find this product really good. And the M Caffeine products are, as we all know, that these products are really good. And this face wash is with white water lily, and the face scrub is with the coffee with vitamin E. So these make sure when you use these products and apply some face cream or some light gel after using these products. So I am really happy with the Caffeine products. Ta-da-da. So don't you guys think like this is a book? But no, this is not a book. These are products from Nyasa, and Nyasa makes natural products, and this company is really good. They mainly make aromatic products, and really the aroma is really good. This is how it looks. This is how the packaging is, and it is wood packaging. And when you see this packaging, you really feel that you're walking in the woods, and products are really aromatic and natural and vegetarian. मैं वाला है. So everyone, this packaging includes handmade soaps and shower gel and face wash. So the first handmade soap is Mountain Musk handmade soap. Yes, this is how it looks, and the aroma is really good. Handmade soap, and it's a honeysuckle extract, and it also contains argan oil. And it's a natural cleanser and keeps your skin free from harmful germs and bacteria. So that's why it includes honeysuckle extract. And the oil it contains is from Morocco, and it works on your skin. And when you bathe with this soap, and your skin really feels smooth and soft and refreshing. So I like this handmade soaps. And the other one is Arabian Oud handmade soap. Yes. So this handmade soap is it includes a shea butter, and shea butter is, as we all know, that it is really good for our skin, natural moisturizer, and it also is a sun protectant, and it contains high vitamin A and E. And also it is birch tree extract, Himalayan pink salt. So I'm really looking forward to using these products, these handmade soaps. And another one is this Arabian Oud shower gel. This shower gel is really looking like fantasy to me. Shower gel and these face washes. Another shower gel is this Mountain Musk. This is Mountain Musk shower gel, and there are also face wash. One is tea tree face wash, and it is sulfate free and paraben free. Yes. And another one is sandalwood and saffron face wash. So they really picked up really good ingredients for, and these ingredients are really good for our health and really makes you feel like stress free and refreshing. So I am really happy with these products, and I am really looking forward to use these products, and I will review them after using them. And don't use these products too much, because otherwise they will uh, inhibit your natural body aroma, natural body fragrance. So otherwise these products are really good, and packaging is good, everything is really nice. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.